Getting ready for the next project on the C20. We're going to do a little exhaust system upgrade. As I found after I bought this, the previous owner had set these headers in here, notched out the motor mount quite a ways, notched out the frame, still rubs on that side, there, and pretty much identical over on the driver's side. So I did a little research, found these long tube headers. I was really torn between going with the short tube, mid-grade, or long tube, but I don't know, long tubes just look so good on the V8. So we got some ceramic coated headers from Hedmann, new motor mounts, which my nephew Wyatt powder coated for me to match the truck. Come down here, we bought a whole system exhaust kit. It's a Thrush Performance Mufflers. Everything came in the box. There's the box. And all the clamps and hardware come with it. It's all set up to go in. Looking forward to getting this on. The old system ducked down and then came down below the frame rail and out here right by the trailing arm in front of the rear tire. Maybe some of this will tuck up a little tighter in this new system. And might sound a little more aggressive with the Thrush. That's it. Thanks for watching.